Hello guys, so we have a dead laptop today which is HP model number is 15-DW and it's not turning on. Plug in the power supply and we will press the power button and see how it goes. This is the DC jack. Yeah. And pressing the power button, no change in the current. Okay, let's just remove the back panel. This comes from another repair shop, so broken here. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, what I have to do is to check if the DC jack is okay.
DAVIES.
Yeah, as you can see, we have got 19 here.
PETE.
Next is to check
DAVY.
power supplies.
Yeah, we have the same.
So must be.
So you might be customer.
Nothing here. No. Really? Oh no. My multimeter on screen, yeah, that's 3-volt line, which we have got, should be 3.3, but we have got 3-point line, which is
Your contact
not
number
good here.
022455473.
Correct.
Yeah, you're a customer.
Well, they could. They must have got a full of people. To get the kill it.
Okay, none of these, just we have got just 3-volt line present and nothing else.
And the password on it?
Is this the 3-volt line?
08.
Yeah, that's the 3-volt line, but we are not getting 3.3 or 3, but that's okay. None of our power supplies has got any volt on it.
08.
600.
6.
Even though the board looks okay by this visual on the top, but still we will have a look under the microscope. Yeah, that looks fine over here, but I think I have to remove the board. So this is the other side of the board.
You already signed in another mobile, right? With the same email. Yeah, that's.
Well, nothing here.
No. There is something missing.
Really? Look here. Look here. Yeah, I have to remove the SSD.
The other phone is just iPhone. Where is it?
I think because of the shadow you can't see, but I see a little bit of
You
something
can sign into
here.
the new email
That's a long screw.
and
See what we revealed here. Okay. Wow. What chip is it? So that was hiding behind the SSD. Is this? Give it a clean, huh? Yeah, look here. This is bit low. See, it's going down 1.8 ohm. And all of these can't be ground, you know? See? Nah. Yeah. This can't be all such a low resistance, and all these from this IC can't be grounded. Okay, let me check what sort of IC it is. So I looked at the internet trying to find this what IC it is, which is B, is it IEB8 G8 or GB, but I couldn't find anything. So what I decided to do is to remove that IC and then check if we still have the short, you know. This is to the same track. I do not have any data sheet for this motherboard, so we have to remove this. Okay, to sort out if it is really shorted or it's just the damage inside which is making it short. Looks like this is burnt. See here, here.
Ramen Livingstone. Ramen Livingstone.
Okay, this track is burnt, but I think that is, yeah. Now the next thing is we have to check if it is still shorted or no. No short. See? But does it go up? Okay, let's check. Yeah, that must be shorted. But we do not have any more short here at least. But this is going to the same track now. This one is different. This one is separate. Okay. Okay, let's check in diode mode. Yeah, that's still short. See, the voltage drops 0. This one is okay now. How about this one?
Yep.
This one is shorted as well. Okay. So I'm using my short detector now and see what we have here. Okay, so it's taking 1 volt and 2 amps. And do you see chipset is getting hot? So it's almost 48 degree now. 50. Can we kill this short? Okay, let's go a little bit more current. Because not repairable anyway, so yeah, nah, that's the chipset. Waste of time. Out of curiosity, I will remove this power supply to check if the short is coming from the chipset or from here. So why I removed it so that I can check. We have removed already this IC just to verify if the short is coming from chipset and we are correct. So let's hear. See, no short. See, complete short. So what does that mean? That means not repairable. Okay, there's nothing we can do about it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video.